Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the latest improvements that Microsoft is testing for the Paint app, including the new Object Select tool, a new sticker generator, and a brand new welcome screen. These improvements are available on Paint version 11.2504.551.0 and higher releases in the Canary and the channels for Windows 11. Also, these features are only available for Copilot Plus PCs, and you have to be signed in with your Microsoft account. Okay, let's dive into the changes. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It is free and it really helps to support the channel and my work. Also, check out my website for more tutorials and related tech news. First, in this release, Microsoft introducing a new welcome experience designed to help you discover and learn more about the new features. So here's a quick look and we can go through all the different features available. You also have a button to try that feature out. You can always close the welcome screen and you can open it back by clicking this button at the top right. So in this update, Microsoft is introducing a sticker generator, and it is an AI feature that allows you to create custom stickers by simply typing a prompt. To get started, you just need to click the stickers button in the toolbar and then click on generate stickers. Then from here, you can type your prompt, let's say a cat drinking coffee, and then just click the generate button. And here we get 4 samples. We can just click on it and that will add it to the canvas, but you can always copy this to the clipboard and paste it on any application. For example, let's open Microsoft Word, and from here, I'm just going to right click on it and select the paste option. And there you have it. Now, at any time, if you want to see your recent stickers, you can open the menu right here, and here you can select the sticker that you previously created. We also have a collection of a few different stickers as well. Now, remember that the recent menu only holds a few of the stickers. If you want to save a sticker, just click on the menu and click on Save Image, and then just save it on your computer. Also, as part of this update, Paint introduces a feature called Object Select, which is a smart selection tool that uses AI to help you select and isolate individual elements on the image. So if you want to access this feature, it's available from the selection section, and it's this button right here. So we can click on that, and then you just need to select, the part of the image that you want to edit. And right now it auto selected the background. So, and when I do a click on that, it automatically selected the entire background. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to click on this feature right here, and I'm going to create a new background. And I'm going to type this prompt to change the background to show some Seattle landmarks. So let's see if this works. So now I'm just going to click create. And there you go. It's not perfect, but you get an idea on how this feature works. I'm just going to keep this. And that's it. Those are the most significant changes that Microsoft is rolling out right now for the Paint app, for Copilot Plus PCs, and the Canary, and the channels. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes, more specifically with the stickers generator, which I think is a really cool feature for a change. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.